So last night we had a tree fall in our house, and looking this morning, crazy. I'm so thankful that it didn't go through anybody's window last night. It fell pretty much right by my son's bedroom and our bedroom window, but it's crazy. I mean, it came out of the roots or out of the ground. So crazy. I just want to show you guys. We heard it snap and fall. It was probably the scariest thing ever, not knowing if it's gonna come through the house. But yeah, it's pretty intense. So now we wait for tree removal. Happy Monday, guys.